Hello, in this video I'm gonna explain if reverse charging is available on iPhone 16 or 16 Pro. Yes, iPhone 16 and 16 Pro supports reverse charging, but not wirelessly, only via wire. So you'll need a cable that fits both ends, both your devices. So I'm gonna use my iPhone 16 and these AirPods, and for them I'll need to use a cable that's USB-C on both ends. So let's plug it into both of the devices, and as you can see it starts charging the AirPods. You can also charge another iPhone. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.